So I want to show how to make my favorite lunch right now. It's kind of paradise lunch. It's really great. So what you need is 2 pineapples. I mean, this is for 2. So 2 pineapples, and I have 12 bananas. And they are waiting to get rinsed because they're sandy. And then I have about a cup of rinsed raisins, golden raisins. And then here I have sprouted lentils. I will show them later. So each of the pots has 5 bananas, half a pineapple, and about half a cup of raisins and half a cup of sprouts. So they're all finely chopped there. Okay, so here's our mixing pots with the sauce ingredients. So per person I have 1 banana, half a pineapple and 2 tablespoons of this tahini. It's not raw tahini, but at least it's salt free, so it's just ground sesame seeds. And then I mix them. Oh yeah, and there's the soaking water from the raisins. So here's then the ready sauce, all smooth, how it should be. And then I just pour it over. See? And it's ready to be eaten. Instantly. You shouldn't let it wait. It's delicious. Ulbu has just been washed 2 days in a row, so she has some suppressed anger. Yesterday she dropped in sewer canal, we had to wash her, and today she was in sandy beach. She has never been that furious with the ball before, and the 2 big ones are getting showered there also. This sort of lovely thing just started to happen. The kitchen, which we can't even use, we haven't paid for it, is leaking. I just started to notice water coming from the door. Nice.
Yeah, Wolfie had to pee, so this is happening when Wolfie pees.
Yeah, Wolfie was in toilet at the same time. No, they just brought a huge tank of water to the hotel, so something's not working.
Somewhere it went over.
And nicely stinking. Because here is not things working, so would be nice to compensate, at least let us go to the kitchen. If you want to take the microwave in the bathroom and there's no lamp. There's no lamp in bathroom and there's no counter shelf, just like there was in the other place. So it would be nice at least to open the kitchen door.
No? Skippy say something now.
Skippy's angry.
Oh.
Skippy's furious.
So now we got...
I got pissed off that we don't get any compensation of this flooding, and anyway things haven't been working, so I opened my mouth, and at least we can use now the kitchen counter space, but we're not allowed to cook there or use the electrics.
So we can only cook in the living room, but we can't cook in the kitchen now.
And they took the micro and stove away.
Yes.
But it's perfectly fine for us.
The stove means it's 2 electric blades, which anyway looked horrible. Oh, I forgot the toaster. Oh my gosh. Here in the shelf is a toaster. But then if you look in here, it's all empty.
Yes, there's nothing.
There's nothing in, like. No? Opening?
Yeah.
What do you want here?
So, it's 5th of April. And we have moved, what, 50 meters to another apartment because of the water thing.
Ah, yes.
Alright, so different
Already
couch
forgot.
this time.
Yes.
But anyway, yesterday we finally got answers that how do we get to South Africa with our dog, so do we get? And no, we don't.
Yeah,
So-
we would get, but...
No, I will explain,
Yes.
may I?
Now you may. Okay, I'm listening.
What do you want to say?
No?
Yes. So the biggest thing, of course, girls would need all these vaccination, blah blah blah. But the biggest thing is that even though the vaccinations and blood tests, all this, South Africa would put girls for 14 days into quarantine without any visiting rights at all. So girls would be 14 days in some box without us. And that's definitely killing Herta, so we decided that we don't go there. And then we were thinking we could go via Namibia, because if you come from Namibia to South Africa, you don't have to go to quarantine. But in order to get to Namibia, you have had to be in your country of origin, which would now be Ghana, for 6 months. So, not for us.
And driving all the way from here, from Ghana to Namibia, where we then would actually not know how the rules are then when you would enter via landside. Because it's a bit different again. I think if you just show up at the border and say hello, now here we are, or whether you basically come in with the plane and then you have no options, but there are all these tight measures in place. So.
But still, we already decided a long time ago that we don't drive there because there's so many dangerous countries in between.
And bad roads.
And
really,
bad roads.
Really
and now
bad
there's
roads.
also this Ebola thing going on. So that's also a big no-no for me.
Okay, so many reasons not to go to South Africa, one way or the other. So where do we go now, Skippy?
Yeah, and now also it's not just South Africa, it's the whole Africa. So this was it for us. Here ends.
With dogs, right now.
Yeah, well, the rest of my life I'm going to be with dogs, just here. But anyway, so we go to States, I guess.
I guess so.
Well, we still don't have any tickets or anything, but that's the plan now.
That's it.
Alles gut.
Things are getting better now. I'm also very happy that we go to States.
Yeah, and also because of girls, we need a bit more civilized country now because we need some vegan dog food.
Yeah.
And I need some...
Don't fiddle now here, you are shaking the camera. The rest is personally. And then we updated our plan, so maybe after then North America we go to explore South America, and after this we don't know yet. So let's see in which mental condition we are and how we will do that.
That's Wolfie's plan. I only plan max 2 countries at a time. I've learned my lesson.
Yeah, but the big picture, you know?
I don't want to do big pictures.
Big picture. Okie dokie. So let's see what happens in the end.
So that's why you better not plan anything.
Why not? Let me plan, makes me happy.
Yeah, but then you are asking, is this good plan for us?
Yes, of course.
No, it isn't.
But of course I'm asking it.
Yeah, but there's my answer. Kuka siellä on lössi? Onks siellä pääsiäispupu?
Joo, no niin.
Pääsiäispupulla on paketti.
Joo, mennäänkö sisälle?
Trash isn't emptied. Oi tytöt, mitähän me saadaan? Kato Ulku, minkä sä sait. Oi, sitä ei sit hukata.
Onko se uusi fiski, Ulku?
Oi. Ja mitäs Wolfi sai?
Wolfi saa
Ruuveja.
Ruuveja, laakerit.
Wolfi got a birthday cake.
Oh, nami birthday.
Oho. Well, I don't know if you like it.
Nami. This is really heavy.
Yes, of course.
Nuts and all this, no? I can tell.
Yeah.
Good. Oh, really good.
And our cool bikes. So this is our last night here in Kokrobite. Kokrobite. We had enough. We have been fighting for over a week with this hotel management to get things work. So we really haven't had worth for our money. Nothing really works, and there was one day that definitely nothing worked and we wanted refund. Yeah, we would have got 5 CTs refund. And now nothing works, but still they are raising the rents, or what is it?
Yeah.
Rents, so. And they didn't even tell us instantly, they just told, oh, we raised 4 days ago. Yeah, so fuck you too. So we had enough and we're moving tomorrow to somewhere else. And Herta is sick. So even that here also. You're not totally sure, does she have tick fever or something else? She was today 2 hours in IV at doctor and got some medicine, and tomorrow we go again.
Yeah, she got 1 liter of infusion.
Yeah.
This infusion liquid.
Yes, well, that's IV.
You are the expert.
Yes. And now we are trying to cool her down here. So. With water and ice and such.
Yes.
Yeah, she had heavy fever.
Yeah, then we have our water filter, since we don't want to buy all the time plastic bottles. And we had our Vario water filter, and there was this ceramic first pre-filter is the ceramic filter, and that should last for 2000 liters. That should be good for 2000 liters. And the fact is that after 30 liters of this water here, it was completely blocked. So the water came out everywhere, but not where it should come out in the end. So this was really.
And the people here, when we came, we asked, is the water drinkable? Yes, it's drinkable, yeah, it's okay. Well, I drank it and then I got sick. So I'm not sure if I got sick because of that.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, Skippy also had fever.
Yeah.
A little bit. But this is really plenty of these little particles in this water here. So next time, or now we could use, we have used our drinking water for the next place. We also will use first coffee filter to put this around the entrance of the hose, and then see how this goes.
And anyway, it's nice to get out of this road. I've had enough of driving this
bumpy
road.
You will see in the video. I took yesterday the video clip.
Oh, you took yesterday?
Yes. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, so now we're just heavily packing.
Mm-hmm.
Can show a nice load here. Plenty of stuff.
Yeah, not so bad.
Here's my little patient, all hot, feverish.